2019 Principles of Accounts, past question number 1, says a major cause of discrepancy between the bank statement and the cash book that overstates the bank statement balance is the option A. Says commission paid. Commission paid is not paid to the customer. It's the customer that pays the bank. The customer pays the bank. Interest received for a money that have stayed long, the customer receives interest at certain percentage. So this one, customer receives, is from the customer. From the customer, he receives the interest, and this interest only reflects in the bank statements. In the bank statements, not the cash book. Not the cash book. Then direct payments. Direct payments is one of the causes of differences. Sometimes some payments are made directly from the customer's accounts. From the customer's accounts. Or into the customer's accounts. To the customer account. Then direct withdrawal. The customer might make a direct withdrawal that will overstate. So direct withdrawal does not overstate. This is withdrawing from your bank. When you withdraw from your bank balance will come down. So this one will not overstate. This one will only understate. This one only understates the bank balance. So the correct option is option C, direct payments. It's a major cause of difference between the bank statement and the cash book, and that overstates the bank statement balance. So option C, direct payments, is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.